Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find unread emails in Gmail. Is unread trick. Let's face it, we all know the feeling of being overwhelmed by a cluttered email inbox. It can be a real challenge to keep track of incoming messages, especially when new emails keep piling up. The good news is that there's a simple way to regain control and ensure you never miss an important email again. By using Gmail's powerful search functions and layout adjustments, you can easily locate unread emails and organize your inbox more effectively. Today, we'll dive into two straightforward methods that will help you achieve this, making your email experience much more manageable. To begin with, let's explore the first method, using Gmail's search feature to instantly filter out unread emails. This is a quick and effective way to view all the messages you haven't yet read. First, open your Gmail account and locate the search bar at the top of the screen. In this search bar, type in the command isunread and hit enter. What happens next is that Gmail will display every single unread email in your account, regardless of which folder or label it might be hidden in. This feature is incredibly versatile, as it works on both the Gmail desktop site and the mobile app. So whether you're at your computer or checking emails on your phone, this trick is always at your fingertips. If you're looking to narrow down the search results even further, Gmail allows you to refine your search. For instance, if you are only interested in unread emails that are sitting in your main inbox, you can modify the command slightly. By typing isunread inbox, Gmail will filter out newsletters or archived messages, focusing solely on what's currently in your primary inbox. Additionally, if you're trying to find unread emails from a specific sender, you can use the format isunread from sender's email address. These combinations are incredibly useful for zeroing in on the emails that matter most to you. Now, if the idea of running a search every time you want to find unread emails seems tedious, there's a way to change your inbox layout to make unread emails more visible automatically. Here's how you can do that. On your computer, open Gmail in your browser and click on the Settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Then, navigate to the Inbox tab. Under the section labeled Inbox Type, choose Unread first. After making this selection, scroll down and click Save Changes. When the page refreshes, you'll notice a dedicated section for unread emails pinned right at the top of your inbox. This way, new emails that you haven't read yet will land there, allowing you to quickly scan and identify them without having to sift through the rest of your messages. If you ever decide to revert to the default inbox layout, you can easily do so by visiting the same settings and selecting Default under Inbox Type. Remember to hit Save to apply the changes. In conclusion, using the isunread search command and the unread first inbox layout are two powerful tools that can significantly enhance your email management. You can choose to use one method or combine both for maximum efficiency. This way, you'll spend less time searching for unread emails and more time focusing on tasks that truly matter. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to find unread emails in Gmail. Isunread trick. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.